instead of integration, like just take out the question, right? So ani nalu ngachi denominator na ta wachin x ki char na duba, so x common chigatin, so 1 minus x square lumate. Now if you look at 1 minus x square, it gives you a feeling of a square minus b square, right? Because 1 the 1 square so the 1 square is still 1 mush. So anyway pattern same thombi, you know that a square minus b square can be written as a minus b, a plus b mush. Similarly can be turned in 1 square minus x square, so 1 minus x, 1 plus x t2. So which means this turns out to be x times, so this can be written as 1 plus x times 1 minus x. The anidi, so this question here transforms into this, right? So which means here I can apply partial fraction. This is a big chunk of fraction. Now I can make it into small bits, so using partial fraction method. So a over x plus b over 1 plus x plus c over 1 minus x. So focus on the denominator. In your left hand side you have x times 1 plus x times 1 minus x, and the same zone then. Okay, so what is missing here comparing to the left hand side? So 1 plus x window, the 1 minus x window. So something new should be same in up and down. Plus b over 1 plus x too much. The comparing to the left hand side denominator, we need x, we need 1 minus x. So whatever I introduce has to be introduced above as well. Plus c yolu 1 minus x do. The kachi mithamle anitini x mindu 1 plus x mindush. Maulu kachi pai tale same bipao. The chigilation be notice by watching denominator card na same as what. So ani bodalu 1 equals to, so if I just take the numerator mush, so it's 1 equals to a times 1 plus x 1 minus x plus bx 1 minus x plus c cx 1 plus x. Now you can use assumption method. So wherever there is x, replace by negative 1. So 1 equals to a. So this here becomes 0. Then we have plus b. This is also 0. Negative 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus c times 0. So we have 1 equals to negative 2b. So we got the value of b. Now take the other bracket. 1 minus x equals to 0 equals to x. So when x equals to 1, 1 equals to, so wherever there is x, open the bracket and replace. Times 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2c. 1 equals to 2c. 1 over 2 equals to c. Right, so we got 2 of the variables. Now is there any bracket No, but still we have x value here, right? So let x equals to 0. So what's this now? Let x equals to 0. So again in the equation here, in this equation, so copy, paste. So now let x equals to 0. So wherever there is x, replaced by 0. So 1 equals to 1 plus 0 is 1. So a, because this becomes all 0. So now we got the value of a, which is 1, b, which is 1 over 2 negative, and c, which is half. This is important. So now look at the start of the equation. So we needed a, b, c for this. Copy. Okay. So what we have here. So now instead of a here, b and c, we can just replace the value. So a is 1, b is negative half, right? So negative 1 half, positive half, 1 over 2. So now you can integrate it individually. So this is 1 over x is log x, plus 1 over 2 will be there. 1 over x is again 1 log 1 x plus 1 over 2